Hi everyone and welcome to More Than Violin. In today's episode, I will talk about basics and general beginner tips on the violin. Here are my 9 beginner advices. Tip 1. The right posture. When you're playing the violin, it's super important to stay straight. Hold your violin securely between your shoulder and chin and keeping it sideways to your shoulder. Place it on your shoulder and turn your head so your nose points to the scroll. The best way is to find a comfortable position to rest your chin on the chin rest. Even if you are sitting on a chair, keep your back straight and don't sit like a question mark. Tip 2. Holding the bow. Holding the bow is all about balance. Make sure your fingers are rounded, especially your pinky. When you're done practicing, always loosen the bow here. If you tighten your violin bow, leave enough space between the wood and the horsehair that the tip of your pinky fits in. When you are playing and moving the bow, be sure that your shoulders are relaxed and not high. Move your elbow like you would open a door and use your wrist to be flexible and to have a smooth movement. Weather and humidity can affect the tension, so keep an eye on it. Tip 3. Use enough rosin. If your bow doesn't grip to the strings well or sounds airy, it's probably time to use more rosin. This helps you to produce a clearer and richer sound. Tip 4. Tuning your violin. The violin is tuned in fifths, G, D, A and the E string. Be picky about your tuning because it makes all the difference. If you're struggling, then use a tuner in the beginning. It's absolutely not cheating. It's a great way to develop your intonation over time. Tip 5. Care for your violin. Your violin deserves all the time some love. After practicing, clean the rosin off the strings, fingerboard and wood by using a soft cloth. And please don't forget the fingerboard. It can get very sticky from sweat after a long rehearsal, which isn't really good for the strings. Tip 6. Practice consistently. Practice every day, even if it's just for 10 or 15 minutes. This is better than one long session once a week. Consistency is the key to reaching your goals faster. Tip 7. Stay relaxed. Tension in your body and your mind can lead to mistakes. Keep your shoulders and hands relaxed to maintain control and focus. Tip 8. Take breaks. If you feel stuck or unfocused, take definitely a break. Go for a walk or do something else for a while, then come back refreshed. You will be surprised how much it helps. Tip 9. Stay motivated. Explore your violin sounds and enjoy the process. Don't be too hard on yourself. It just takes time at the beginning. The joy of playing something you have worked hard on makes it all worth it. I hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, music is something truly special. It gives you a feeling that no one can ever take away from you. If you have any other tips or ideas, share them with us in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next episode of More Than Violin. Thanks for watching, make beautiful music and see you next time.